Hey guys, so I'm with my sister.
Hi.
And I'm with her best friend Gianna.
Hi.
Gonna go to this coffee spot and I'm super excited because I haven't had my coffee today and I'm getting tired. I took like 3 naps already. We just left Stitch Town. What did you get?
Book.
What kind of book did you get?
A Stitch book.
Yeah, she got a Stitch book, you guys. Good morning, everyone. So I basically spent the rest of last night editing the video and hanging out with my family. I just wanted to show the little pajama fit I got matching with the rest of my family. Today, we're hopefully gonna do a bunch of new things and I can take you along on the journey. The backyard on this house is so pretty, you guys.
You're invited here with a tub that there's a drain right here, the water spigot. Here's a nice little tree for like scenery. There's a little thing to clean off anything, clean the ground. Little spigot. 2 not shower heads. We have a normal shower head right here. Works like a normal shower. We have a little ledge for any essentials that you would like to bring outside. We have a waterfall. That's very relaxing. It feels very nice. And behind here we have a little seat. It has a cover on right now, but it's a little cabana. And yeah, it's pretty much the outside shower.
We're gonna go to the beach today. There's my mom. Hi, Mom. Oh, that's fun. Hi, Vaughn.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at us go. We're going to the beach. Hi guys, so it's the next morning and we're actually going out for breakfast today. We're gonna be going to Country Kitchen in KAUAI. Let's do a fit check. So I have a Winnie the Pooh shirt and it's from Ross, and then my shorts are from my friend Riv.
My shirt is from Target, and my shorts are from Shein.
Awesome. And then what are you wearing, Gia?
My shirt's from Target. My shorts are from Ross, and then my shoes are from Amazon.
Yeah, look at all our cute outfits, you guys. Right now we're at Hanalei. It's so pretty. Just looked at a really pretty cave and now we're looking at the beach. It's so pretty. Look at those waves. Look how blue the water is. The waves are like crazy big here. There's surfers out there. So we're at a little shopping plaza. It's super cold and windy, so I bought this little sweatshirt. It's super cute. And my sister got this sign What does it say?
Chickens, the pet that poops breakfast.
And where are we gonna put that sign?
On our fridge.
Yeah. One interesting thing that we found out is that most coffee places here close at like 12:30, so either get coffee before then or don't expect to drink coffee. Gone to like 4 places and they're all closed. Guys, it's raining, but it's so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. But it's raining and I want to go to the car. Let's go. So today is the last day. We're leaving today. We cleaned up our room. We're going back to Oahu. It's super sad, but it's also okay because they're gonna be coming and seeing us for New Year's. I got on my jeans, a little tube top, and a New York sweater. And we're gonna go get shaved ice, and then we're gonna be heading out. It's pretty rainy outside. We have all of our luggages ready to go.